Welcome everyone. This video will share another accommodating online web-based learning platform from Microsoft Educator Center, which offers many free certification courses and badges for students who need more extra abilities to enhance their skills. In the Microsoft Educator Center, there are many subject-based courses available to learn, such as art and design, climate and environment, reading and writing, computer science, special education, business and entrepreneurship, gaming, technology, digital literacy, physical health and wellness, world languages and many more. Click the link which I have given below in the description. First, sign in with your existing Microsoft email ID and password, or create a new one by clicking Create One. After sign in successfully, then click on the main menu, select Training, and click the Courses option, which prompts more courses. Under Difficulty section, you can set your level: Beginner, Intermediate, or Advanced. There are many free courses in various classifications and fields, such as Microsoft Applications Office 365, Computer Science, Social and Emotional Abilities, Create and Collaborate with Canva, Coding, 3D, Gaming, Windows, Azure, Excel and more. Second, select a course. It takes to another dashboard. You can check the description, duration, learning objectives, and resources, in case you are interested in taking the course, by pressing the Start Course button to open an alternate dashboard. It will give you the entire contents of course, titles and related videos. Keep completing all sections and modules. At the end, you have to take the quiz to obtain the certificate. Remember, you have limitless opportunities to perform the quiz. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.